Madison's program was the one program I could really customize my lab for me. Like, you can go super heavy physics here, or you can go super heavy biology, and there's everything in between. You could find a lab that's like purely wet lab, or it's purely computational, and everything in between. But our rotations, they're pretty quick. And you do 3 of them, and they're 1 month each.
And it actually gives you a better opportunity to start with your PhD thesis faster.
I felt it was the perfect length because you got to get to know the professor, talk to them a few times about the science they're doing, shadow some graduate students.
You are not restricted to work with a specific list of faculties that are part of the program.
You have to choose one mentorship style that works with you, and there's definitely a range of it that works.
There are certain people for whom the lab environment is going to really matter. And there are certain people for whom the content is going to really matter.
I was more concerned about the people and the PI. Like, do we get along? Is it going to be a good fit for 5 years?
When I chose my PI, that was one of the conversations I had was, are you supportive of people in industry?
There's a lot of support for doing like science policy and science communications and science education. And
our requirements for classes are very flexible. So if you want to add in like a PhD minor, like in something like life science communication, for example, you have the time and opportunity to do that.
I've learned a lot of like writing skills, a lot of people skills.
I'm here because I love science and it's what I want to do. And I really like mentoring and teaching.
It seems to be more the consensus now that not everyone will become a PI, and there are a lot of ways to succeed.
But I haven't ruled out academics yet, because I really do love teaching. I did it for a long time in the military, and I think that sense of giving back and getting people excited about science is always, when you see someone light up with that, I get it, that totally makes sense with something that's kind of complicated. It's really rewarding.
So in content and in practice, in this specific program, students have a lot of flexibility. We're all over campus in several different departments, and you can kind of just dive into whatever research topic you want and have the sort of support content-wise and institutionally, administratively, to make it happen.